Now, it's like discriminating the diverse country within the state itself, within the country itself.
One nation, one election, ni kong du can violate ya ka democratic spirit.
One nation, one poll. If you think in a coast-wise, it's a positive, it's a good move. But we have not known the whole objective. What is the main objective behind this particular one nation, one poll? Now, it's like discriminating the diverse country within the state itself, within the country itself.
How all the periods will be synchronized into one election is a big question. So are you going to suspend certain assemblies into animated suspension? Are you going to call an early election to synchronize? If you do that, that will be violation of Representation of People's Act. Therefore, one election and one country is a kind of a vague idea. One nation, one election, one means that one is not a singular one. One is composed of many fractions. We are one because we have 28 states.
Kika one nation, one election. Lani kan don tangkawi ka election haborok wi ka ri India ka jingtemu lesi kandi ya ka MP election bade ka mele. La kinra sadu syaki local election kum ki district council election lani syari thor kum ya ki tu ki panchayat election. Kala bha ba phin le ya kata kari India hot ka konsep kala ban sultanat mo
lada kilet ya kata one nation one election ban shu ai no da kadaw ba ong bangin ya CF ka pisate along no bala shu town daw da bam so ya bam shong kya ek
There might be some kind of a bleak intention, you never know. What intentions they have got, especially holding one election, one nation. So when we are talking about the course, cutting course, the course is already been, you are trying to add the course to the course already done.
Kamu galong mata haga system inon lai South League election, inon ki state election prepare ke MLA election, inon ke MP election, inon ke panchayat election, inon ke MDC election. Man ke election lada pipet tang ya ka model code of conduct. Kawai ke state model code of conduct la block development. Next election kawai pada ke state la block model code of conduct la block development. But pet ru ya ka jing lut accept. Ka pisah ka basu along basu pelut hagapor yang ke conduct election. Ka security baru lagi infrastructure lahap cuman kapor yang kini nong yalam barkai lah sulut tang kapor election. Pan penduna ya ke jing lut jing sep joka. Ketu jing lut jing sep ka bam pelong man ke election lah pan kam nam tak development jong ke India jong.
Kawai ni ki major benefit jongka ni kalong ka cost. Ka jinglut ke jingsep kan duna kawai ka merit nginom la ban len kalong ba kini ki jinglet pen claim sarkar bo in ban create instability ha ki state ru kan duna ka jing influence jong ka central government ye ki state election ru le se kanam don shu but kapor ye ki pajba ru kin suk kin le betang kawai ki election ye la thep bro ar lai teli ka khamsuk but kani ka jing don bun palat kani ka election bro chance nem ka pen kala bet ye ka ri ha ka election mood bro chance nem la kalong ta ka hamper ya ka development ka hamper ya ka peace ya ka prosperity jong kari.
They have to understand the federal structure. In the federal structure, there is no place of this kind of a synchronization or creation of a uniformity.
Nga think along very dead against because nga ba at least sapo India today we have to celebrate the differences can be done ma na pring jat bende baper but ngidi ban island ya ka politics su bakan long harta ku kom le amdai ban chu dominate pe tang na gowai na atli ka party na ta lai atli ka party ka bakadai andai kam dai kin ka muscle power jong ka pisah ka ban dominate ya ka elections tenga nget ba the day sisa ka one nation one election kan sakta bhai ki party ki bakam de
ka jingdu nong golong ba ngam tharai ba ka ri India kan la ban provide ya ka free and fair election lada ka le season le